sorry to bother you. I just noticed you've had a food delivery bag on your porch for a long time. Like, I don't know how long, but it looks like probably a couple days. I mean, wouldn't you want to bring it inside? No judgment, I'm just looking out for you. Probably really cold by now. I hope it wasn't French fries. Oh god, if it's French fries, they're probably awful by now. You know when fries sit out for too long and they get that weird texture? I mean, you paid for the food, I just hope you'd get to enjoy it, you know? Okay, anyways, good night.